Decoding ancient engineering, the technologies that built civilizations. Ever wondered how ancient builders achieved impossible precision with primitive tools? Spoiler alert, some of their techniques still puzzle modern engineers. Let's dive into our technology classification system and uncover construction secrets that challenge everything we think we know about the past. The detective work behind every artifact. Here's what makes our database unique. We don't just catalog artifacts. We attempted to decode how they were built. Every piece gets assigned tags. Think of them as technological fingerprints that reveal ancient construction methods. The truth about tools. Whether it's a kitchen knife slicing butter, a hammer shaping stone, or a diamond saw cutting granite, every tool leaves distinctive evidence. These traces survive for centuries, even millennia, despite erosion and weathering. They're like archaeological DNA waiting to be read. From quarry to wonder, the technology trail. Picture this. Ancient builders had to quarry massive stones, transport them, sometimes hundreds of miles, and shape them with incredible precision. Each step required specific technologies, and each technology left its signature on the finished work. Our challenge: most artifacts have zero documentation about their construction methods. We're archaeological detectives using visual evidence and comparative analysis to assign technology tags. Sometimes we can't even find modern equivalents. These structures seem built with technologies more advanced than what we have today. Technology Showcase: Sacsayhuaman's Secrets. Let's explore Sacsayhuaman, our technological showcase site. This place is like an ancient engineering laboratory. That precision screams throne technology, systematic stone carving that creates furniture-like features. The knife and butter marvel. This surface looks like someone sliced through solid stone as easily as cutting butter. The smoothness and precision suggest cutting techniques we're still trying to understand. The polygonal giant. Massive stones fitted together so precisely you can't slip a piece of paper between them. Each stone is uniquely shaped, yet they lock together perfectly. That's polygonal mastery. Pro tip: click any technology tag to unlock detailed descriptions, visual guides, and examples from around the world. It's like having an archaeological textbook at your fingertips. Smart filtering in action. Remember our filtering system? When you select polygonal and knife and butter tags or any combination of tags, you're not looking for artifacts with all selected techniques. You're finding artifacts with either technique, casting a wider discovery net. Though it's possible that some artifacts may contain more than one filtered technologies. Visual intelligence. When you open artifact details, your selected filter tags light up. It's instant visual confirmation of why that artifact appeared in your search. Other tags, if any, stay unlit, showing you the full technological picture. The Technology Deep Dive. Ready to become a construction technology expert? Hit that Technologies button. Mobile users, expand the top menu first. What you'll discover: this isn't just a reference guide, it's a mind-bending exploration of ancient capabilities that challenges modern assumptions. The big questions: how did ancient builders lift 1,200-ton stone blocks thousands of years ago? Why weren't cranes capable of such weights invented until 1915, and even then, only at 1/4 the capacity? What was the purpose behind some techniques that seem to have no practical goal from our modern perspective? Historical evidence. We've included a photograph from 1900 showing that massive 1,200-ton stone, proof that these impossible achievements are absolutely real. Your technology library. The example section is your gateway to systematic exploration. Expand it and dive into whichever technology captivates you most. Each technology gets the full treatment. Detailed descriptions with visual evidence. Notable features that distinguish each technique. Real-world examples with links to specific artifacts. Comparative analysis showing variations across cultures. Navigation ninja move. Once you're reading about a specific technology, use the left and right arrow buttons to jump between techniques without returning to the main menu. It's seamless technology hopping. The bigger picture, technology as time machine. Here's what makes this fascinating. These technologies are goal-oriented, just like modern engineering, but some ancient goals remain mysteries. Known goals, structural integrity, weather resistance, aesthetic beauty. Unknown goals, why such impossible precision? Why techniques that seem overkill for the apparent purpose? The evidence trail. We've included references to videos, research papers, and additional resources. Whether you prefer visual learning or deep reading, we've got your learning style covered. Why this matters? You're not just browsing artifacts, you're investigating one of humanity's greatest mysteries. How did ancient civilizations achieve precision that challenges modern capabilities? What knowledge have we lost? What techniques might we rediscover? Your archaeological toolkit, technology tags that decode construction methods. Smart filtering to find technique patterns across cultures. Deep dive descriptions that explain the how and why. Cross-references connecting similar techniques worldwide. The adventure continues. Every artifact in our database is a piece of an ancient engineering puzzle. Some pieces show techniques we understand. Others reveal capabilities that make modern engineers scratch their heads. Whether you're fascinated by precision stone cutting, massive stone transport, or impossible fitting tolerances, you now have the tools to explore these technologies systematically. Ready to challenge everything you thought you knew? Start exploring our technology classifications, follow the evidence trails, and prepare to question the conventional timeline of human technological development. The ancients left us technological breadcrumbs. Let's see where they lead.